Guys, Tony back again with another quick video. Leave a timestamp if you just want to see the saw running, but changed out the piece of wood. I got a piece of spruce back there. Same chain as earlier's video. Still 61 feet, MM3, 0.043 gauge, 3/8 low pro. So see how this thing cuts in this piece of spruce back here compared to the maple, but it's already warmed up. Switch out the bar chain of sprocket over the quarter pitch and see how it does in that same piece of wood. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.